Hello dear friends, today 29 June 2024. My name is Sergey Khodachenko. We finished little order from new client from Poland. This is modernization working head, 15 kg per hour, and for tornado gold medal, and this is change electrical. Why this need? Because if we change 15 kilogram working head, need new electronic because too much power, 3 kilowatt, and this is better quality than original. This is very good quality, never broken. Minimum 10 years I use, never broken. And also this is better electrical because this is operation with contactor, never broken. Original, if you know, every time broken this. How this work? We, oops, now tornado ready. After switch on, look, this is heater and this motor. Look, switch on, this motor ready, and this is heater working head. Look, more, less, more. Very soft regulation, very soft regulation. After stop, and this, oops, look. Very beautiful lamp. That client need only connection this inside tornado, and we have cable this for heater, for working head tornado, and this for motor. Also we every time help this client if he have some questions. Okay, see you again if you want working head. Look, this working head. Also we give this for new screw, and this need when this need for balancing. Look, for balancing need two screw, two nuts, M10 here, and this must be like this position. Look. Look. Middle, must be middle. Look, like this, middle. Okay, see you again, bye bye.